Good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Diego Carranza. Activity Unit 2.3 Present Perfect versus Simple Past. Let's see who's speaking today. Mary's sister loves sipping juices. Frank's speaking about horses' saddles. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Legs zigzag on the ice. Phillips skates. The candidate's speech sounded false. Thousands saw Shakira's show. Her face showed a nice smile. Wendy's sisters lies sausages. The Cyclops said, "This cheese sticks." And the other activity, Unit 1.3, with modal verbs. All alone, go. Only, no, no. Open, throat, show. Over, thrown, throw. Okay, John, grow. Ocean, stone, flow. Over, cut, tomato. Oh dear, come, potato. For John at home. Don't go throw stones. Eat snow on grapes. You owe Joe a phone call. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grow tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to the snow alone. Somebody has stolen my comb. Thank you.